How to delete my Cash App account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can delete my Cash App account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically delete your Cash App account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Cash App over here. Once you launch Cash App, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then just scroll down here, go to this option here known as support, and then make sure to tap on it. Under the support tab, go to option known as account and settings. Under account and settings, scroll down to the close your Cash App account section and then tap on it. Once you tap and close your Cash App account, here you'll see a little pop-up where you can directly tap the close account option and your Cash App account will get successfully closed. This way you will be able to delete my Cash App account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.